Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to do unboxing of some live plants that I have ordered online from two different companies. And let's open the first box. This is from companionplants.com. I love this company. I've ordered from them before. They have a ton of culinary herbs, medicinal herbs. So let's open it up and see what I got. I love the way it's packaged. They did include a ton of paper to insulate it and protect the plants. So I think I got 9 different plants. And the first one is one of my favorite culinary herbs and also the herb that I make tea from, lemon verbena. I like the smell of this plant. Unfortunately, it's not a perennial in my zone, so I have to either start it from seed or buy it from a nursery, and I don't have enough room under my lights to start every single thing from seed, so I do have to buy certain plants online. And this thing is a variegated turmeric variety. Oh, and it's so tiny, so little, just starting to sprout. I hope it will survive Chicago weather. This beautiful thing is a cinnamon vine or air potato. I have planted one of these before in my garden. It's supposed to be perennial to my zone, and I don't know what happened to it. It didn't come back. So this is trial number 2. If this time it will not survive, then I won't be trying again. But I hope that this year it will make it. I will make sure to protect it a little bit more next winter so it comes back next year. Remember last year I planted a pawpaw tree? Well, I didn't know you're supposed to have 2 growing in the garden, so I ordered another one. It is so small and tiny. I know it will take years for it to grow, but it's okay. I have enough patience to wait. And this beautiful thing is a prickly pear cactus, which is supposed to be hardy to my zone too. It's eastern prickly pear, and I have started it from seed and it didn't grow, so I don't know what I have done wrong. I still have some seeds, so I'll be trying again, but in case I will not be able to grow it from seeds at all, then I'll at least have this one growing. And this herb is a Roman chamomile. I couldn't find seeds for Roman chamomile anywhere, only German. So I decided I'll order a live plant. It does smell like chamomile, and I've always wanted to have Roman chamomile because it's supposed to be perennial. So I started my German chamomile from seed, and now I'll have the Roman variety too. One of my YouTube friends, Kiki Sora from Urban Girl Gardening, got herself a banana mint, and I figured let me try it too. It sounds so good, so I ordered it, and it doesn't smell like a banana to me right now, but we'll give it some time. I also got some rosemary for myself, and I know I started rosemary from seed. I have a few of plants, but this variety is supposed to be called hardy to zone 5, so I hope it will be. This is one of the 2 varieties I purchased. So this one is Alba or white rosemary, and the other one is also supposed to be called hardy. So after doing research, I realized that, there are hardy varieties. So this one is Hill Hardy, the name of it. Hopefully they will be surviving Chicago winters. I would love to have them perennialize in my garden. And you can see the foliage is a little bit different. That one is darker, this one is lighter, but they look like a typical regular rosemary. So these are 9 plants that I received from companionplants.com. I'll post the link of their website in the description box below if you would like to check them out. All of the plants, as you can see, look good and healthy. The chamomile has a few yellow leaves, but that's okay. This lemon verbena is healthy looking. The only thing I'm kind of disappointed is this turmeric, but hey, it's tropical, so it takes a while to grow in cold climates like this. Also, this Pawpaw Tree is super tiny, but I only paid like $8 for it, so what do you expect? Not a big tree for $8. And the next package I received, I ordered from Etsy.com from a store that Urban Girl Gardening Kiki Soto recommended in her video. That's where I originally went to search for banana mint, but they were out of it. I guess Kiki Soto bought the last one. So I started looking for the other places, and that's how I ordered from Companion Plants. But this Etsy store that Kiki Soto recommended did have some other things that I found exciting. So I ordered 3 plants from here, and this is the name of the store. It's called Gingerous Greenhouse, and let's take a look what 3 plants did I receive from them. So the first one I got is Eucalyptus, and I never grew Eucalyptus before. I've always thought of it as something hard to grow. I don't know why, but then when I saw them selling it, I figured, let me give it a shot and see how it likes. So this is a regular Eucalyptus, and I know it's not cold hardy to my zone, but at least I'll have it for a year. Next one is Artemisia Coca-Cola plant. It's not the plant they make Coke from, but I don't know why they call it like that. Maybe because it has a similar scent. I'm excited to give it a try. And this is rose scented thyme. So I love everything rose. I love rose flavored cookies, tea, everything. And to have a thyme growing in my garden with the smell of rose, I'm excited. So this was my live plant haul from 2 different companies I ordered online. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you would like to order from them, click on the links in the description box below. Thank you!